Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, in the beginning. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, long time ago. He saw an animal that liked to growl, big furry paws, and he liked to howl. Great big furry back with a furry hair. I think I caught a bear. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, in the beginning. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, long time ago. He saw an animal upon a hill, chewed so much grass till she was filled. He saw milk coming out, but he didn't know how. I think I called a cow. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, long time ago. He saw an animal that liked to snort, horns on his head that weren't too short. Looked like there was nothing that he couldn't pull. I think I called a bull. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, long time ago. He saw an animal leaving a muddy trail, real dirty face and a curly tail. He wasn't too small and he wasn't too big. I think I called a pig. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, long time ago. Next animal that he did meet had wool on his back and hoofs on his feet, eating grass on a mountainside so steep. I think I called a sheep. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, long time ago. He saw an animal as smooth as glass, slithering his way through the grass. Saw him disappear by a tree near a lake. I think I called a snake. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning, in the beginning. Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning,